What's up YouTube? Annie here. I'm so excited to be in Beaver Creek, Colorado with the World Playground community, and I'm going to take you behind the scenes of what it's like to adventure with the best adventure travel community around. And it's run by this guy.
Hi, my name is Annie Toth and welcome to World Playground.
Whoa, hold up. That's not me. Let's try this again.
My name is Brooks Laich. I was a professional hockey player, but I might be best known for being Annie Toth's best friend.
If only. World Playground is a luxury adventure travel company that leverages its large, active community to offer incredible trips to prestigious locations. For just $100 a year, membership gets you access to the online community platform, discounts on premium brands, and first dibs on booking some epic adventures. But I'll let Brooks tell you a little bit more.
I started World Playground because I came out of professional sports and I was only 34 when I retired from professional hockey, and I was like, okay, I'm 34, what am I going to do with the rest of my life? And I was very blessed to save some money, and I started traveling after hockey was done. And I was like, okay, I just kept gravitating towards travel and adventure and people and travel and adventure and people. And then I set out with a goal to make luxury adventure travel more affordable to more people and do it in a community environment. So I was looking for my next passion, spent my whole life playing hockey, absolutely loved it, was looking for my next passion in life. I tried a few things that I liked, but ultimately my soul didn't want to live there the rest of my life, and I kept coming back to adventure and people. So I started World Playground, and now it is what it is.
For this adventure, I flew into Denver International Airport and met up with some of the crew for an entertaining car ride.
There's a horse statue up here.
Oh, I saw that.
There's a curse about it.
What's the curse?
I forget the whatever it is.
Well, you can't like lead in with a story and not have the ending.
I remember someone telling me.
Anywho, on our 3-hour car ride to the mountains, we stopped off in Golden for some coffee, did some cartwheels, and grabbed some more coffee. So by the time we arrived at the Park Hyatt in Beaver Creek, I was desperately in need of a bathroom. Okay, so I have to show you guys, we're staying at the Park Hyatt Beaver Creek. Beautiful hotel, luxury hotel. So I have to show you some of my favorite things about luxury hotels. One thing I love, in the bathroom, you're gonna see they have like a soap for the left sink and a soap for the right sink. And then they give you like nice toiletries all nicely displayed. Just like little touches. Yeah, I know. Enough about the soap, Annie. Get back to the adventure. We pulled up in our car, we started to unload, and then Brooks and Kyle pulled up in the car right behind us. So we all had a big reunion. Sorry I didn't get it on film. But so excited to see them. And now we're gonna head back down to the lobby and catch lunch with some of the crew. And while the adventures are incredible, the best part of World Playground is the community. It's a rare opportunity to be around like-minded, open-hearted, passionate humans.
I freaking love what we do, and I love our community. It is so fun when we get together.
The highlight of this trip was Brunch Run, a charity trail race organized by one of our members. Everyone on the trip participated in the race, or in my case, took a leisurely walk. We got a photo stop.
Photo stop on the 5K.
Oh God, there's more.
No, it's all uphill.
Okay. Oh man, we gotta go all the way up there. Look at this table! Fear not, eventually we made it out of the woods alive. Afterwards, we had a chance to unwind with a little yoga, some lawn games, and of course, some epic axe throwing. Hey, I thought we were gonna use the clip where I hit the target. There it is. Nightlife with World Playground is more s'mores by the fire than going out on the club scene. There's nothing the community loves more than playing an epic game of Mafia together after a long day of activities. If you plan to go on a World Playground adventure, I highly recommend familiarizing yourself with how to play Mafia before you go. Also, never believe a word that Brooks says. Now, one thing to know about traveling with World Playground is that they roll with their own videographer and photographer who capture every moment. They then take that footage and leverage it into amazing Instagram content and an amazing YouTube episode. People on the trip also get a copy of all the assets, which is amazing because that means you don't have to carry around your phone all the time taking pictures. You'll get an entire folder of beautiful, professional photos of your adventure. And then World Playground can take that content and leverage it for their own marketing and to create awesome brand partnerships. Of course, participation is voluntary, but the crew makes you feel so comfortable in front of the camera that you'll forget that they're even filming. So Sunday morning, we are gonna shoot the intro for the World Playground video and a little bit of content, and then we're gonna do a little hike, and then it's time to go back to the airport, which makes me sad. Heading into 2023, World Playground has some bucket list trips on the calendar. Members will be diving in Indonesia, skydiving in Dubai, shark diving in Mexico. There's a lot of diving going on. Personally, I'll be headed to the Maldives with the crew in January. So with an impressive 10 adventures on the books, it's going to be a busy year for the community.
We want to become like the Airbnb of adventure travel. So where you can just scroll through your phone, you see the ultimate bucket list adventures in the world, the best like curated, bespoke, luxury, beautiful, stunning bucket list adventures. You can just scroll through and then boom, click and book and come with this wonderful adventure community. So it's not taking an adventure on your own, it's being part of a collective, something powerful. We always leave every place better than we found it. We always have some sort of philanthropic component attached to our adventures and just blow World Playground up into the best adventure community in the world.
Adventures with World Playground are never long enough, and I always leave exhausted, but with a full heart. Say, I love this human. His zeal for life is so infectious.
Back at you, buddy.
He's the reason I signed up. And if you're interested in World Playground, go check it out. I'll put a link down in the description. Come join us.
Come join us.
It's so rad. And I really want to thank Jeff, Brooks, and Kyle for encouraging me to do this video and for being so supportive in my own YouTube journey. I'm obviously still learning. That's the end of our hike. I'm gonna go get in the car. I think that's the end of the video. So you've made it this far. Thanks for watching. Please go subscribe and like this video. It really helps me out. And until next time, go create a life you love. Bye guys.
Is that your best idiot impersonation?
I don't know, you put me on the spot. That's the best I got right there, Andy.
I feel like he gave you a 6 out of 10. He can do better.
No,
but
that was my...
that was good, but it wasn't
I don't know the last time I did a girl's voice, Kyle. Well, she's coming. She's coming.
Busted. Nothing.
What did you do?
Nothing at all. You might want to watch that back. It's okay, we introed your video
How
for
much
you.
editing am I going to have to do to this thing?
It's
my camera.
We introed your video.
Oh, good. It's probably better than what I do.